I'm Dr. Catherine Pollock, and I'm a member of the WSAVA Animal Wellness and Welfare Committee, and I also serve as the Vice President of Companion Animals for Humane Society International. We're really excited to be here today in Lisbon as part of the post-WSAVA Congress, doing this amazing shelter medicine workshop that is going to be focused on what is truly one of the most pressing companion animal welfare issues of our times, which is the management of community cats.
And one of the reasons why WSAVA thinks that this is important is because our committee thinks that we should empower vets to help more animals.